Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, I get so much stuff sent to me to do reviews on, and some things I don't because I just don't think they're good enough product to do a review on. But then sometimes I get something sent to me that I just go, wow, this is really cool, and this is from an Australian brand, and the accessory is for the DJI Pocket 3. It comes from a company called Scotty Make Stuff. I'll leave a link below to their webpage where you can go over and check out everything else that he makes over there as well. But it is the Slimline case for the DJI Pocket 3. Now, it is absolutely amazing. I was very surprised at the build quality and how well it performed as a hard case for the Pocket 3 that is so slimline. So let me show you how to put it all together and we can see it in detail. Okay, we've got all our pieces for the Pocket 3. We have Scotty Make Stuff Pocket 3 hard case. Let's have a look at it so far. As you can see, it is 3D printed by the looks of it. It has a nice felt just inside here that's going to look after your Pocket 3. You have a hole at the back where it will line up so you can charge it. You also have a 1/4" thread screw which threads into the bottom of your Pocket 3, and also then you can connect your DJI Pocket 3 tripod legs as well. In the top of the case, you have a little shield here which is magnetic to be able to hold your filters in as well, and that is quite a strong magnet as well. Once again, you have felt all the way in through the sides as well, and you also have a clip where you can clip on your microphone on the top of it too. So let's put it together. Now, the USB short handle is connected, and then you just slide your Pocket 3 in just like so until it comes all the way down, and then you just screw in your 1/4" mount at the bottom for it to be secure and go all the way in. So the best part about this case is that you can leave your Pocket 3 in the case while shooting as well, because it's not obstructed. You can open and flip your screen even with the case on. You can screw your legs in like I said, and then your Pocket 3 is going to be standing up. 1/4" mounts on either side, so then if you need to attach something else you can. Now the case is so easy to put on. You simply just slide it over like that, and then it is all nice and snug. It's going to protect your screen as well, so you don't have to worry about damaging your screen. We're opened up here to let a bit of air in. Clip your microphone on, and we know our Pocket 3 is going to be protected in such a very slimline hard case as well. And as you see, you can see there is USB hole, the port for the USB-C just there. As you can see, we have holes here, here, and at the back, showing that the mics, where the mics are, so you're not blocking the microphone even with this case on. And she fires up and works perfectly. If you're looking for a hard case for your DJI Pocket 3, well then this is a really good option. I'm really surprised on how well it is built, and the little Scotty's logo at the front is just cracker. I really enjoy that. Super excited about this. It's going to be looking after my Pocket 3. So if you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link below to that, to Scotty Make Stuff webpage. Everything else that I use, I'll leave links below as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from OColin, out.